It's so quick. 5-minute crafts is definitely gonna copy this. In the quest for unique decor that's easy and cheap, I got this idea on Pinterest and I have to show you. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take one of these circle thingies that's meant for embroidery. I don't know what it's called specifically. And then we're also gonna get our fabric. So this is the fastest, this is the most beautiful decor you can make in the shortest amount of time. And if anybody tries to tell you otherwise, they're lying. So I already made 2 of those yesterday, so we're just gonna make 1 more. So start by opening this up. Open this up. Get that. Now you have 2 circles. You just take your fabric. Put it on the back. Put the pattern, like just choose a section where you think you really like the pattern, maybe a little bit closer to here so we can still use that corner over there. Just put that there. That looks like a good pattern. And then put the circle behind. Right over there. And then just put the, I think this is easier on the table, but just put it through, stretch. And by stretching, you just pull from the back side just to make sure it fits properly. So for this, you could use a screw to tighten this area here, and then just tighten it. Just while tightening it, I just make sure to keep pulling it, just so I have a really nice look. After you've already, stretched the circle and tightened the screw, then you have all of this loose fabric which you can just cut. It's better to cut this with a blade, but you can also just use a pair of scissors and you just cut around. But I just want to quickly show you what it looks like after you've cut it. This is what we're gonna have, and I think it looks really cool and looks really beautiful, and this is better than anything you'll find on 5-minute crafts. No, seriously. But yeah, this is just essentially what it looked like, and I think you could definitely choose a different fabric, different color, and I think this, if this was a darker wall, would look really nice. If this was a darker fabric, and you can do this with any sort of fabric you feel or like. And I would also recommend doing this with a fabric that is perhaps sentimental to you. Maybe if you have like a piece of clothing or a blanket that means something to you, you can definitely just stretch it out and put it onto one of these embroidery circles, and there you have it. As I was showing you yesterday, so I feel like it would look better on a darker wall.